Good morning students, welcome to English language class and welcome back again in the session of concept sheet solution, and today's topic is noun. Today we will learn how to do your concept sheet based on the topic noun. In your question number 1, the first exercise is you have to underline the noun in the following sentences. You all know that noun is the name of any person, place, animals or things. It can be also feelings. So in sentence number 1, one is already done for you. For example, let's find out if there is some more noun in the first sentence. And the sentence is, Guwahati lies on the bank of river Brahmaputra. So first Guwahati is already underlined. Now I am going to mark out the next noun in the same sentence, and that is river Brahmaputra. In this way, in your second sentence, children, the class went on a trip to Mysore in October. In this sentence, the noun is class, Mysore and October. Again, in sentence number 3, Hubble telescope is the biggest telescope in the world. So here the nouns are Hubble telescope, telescope and world. So children, in this way you have to read the sentence and underline the noun given in these sentences. So children, I hope you have understood. You will be able to do rest of the sentences on your own. Now let's move on to the next exercise. Let's see what you have to do in your next exercise. In this exercise also, children, you have to circle the noun in the following poem. Now the poem is given here. You have to read the poem carefully and try to find out noun from each line. In your next line, see, birds build nest in a tree. So noun in this sentence are birds, nest and tree. Then come to the next sentence, next line, rabbit live in a hole. Noun are rabbits and hole. Then again read your next line of the poem, which also is home for a mole. So here home and mole are nouns. So children, in this way you have to read each line and circle the noun from each line. Now next sentence, what is the next exercise? Yes, here children, it's a grid given here, jumbled letters, and you have to find the family words in the word grid. So one is example that is done, AUNT, aunt. Now you have to find the family members hidden in this grid. Okay, I'll try to do one or two for you. I have found another family member, that is wife. And then there is another. Again I have found out the another member from our family, and she is mother. So children, in this way you have to find the family members hidden in this word grid. I hope you have understood how to do this concept sheet, children. Thank you.